Hi, in this video we will discuss about what is Power BI mobile application. In this we will discuss about how we can view the dashboards in the Power BI mobile applications. This one applies to the iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablet, but not applies to the Windows phone. What you have to done in the Power BI mobile applications that you have to create the mobile optimized reports. Mobile optimized reports can be used only for the iOS and the Android, but when you move towards the browser, then the ES is not in the optimized form. There is some limitations of the Power BI mobile application. The major limitation is that this one is only cache up to 250 MB is of data offline. This report basically depends upon our direct query and the live connection and not cached and not available offline. Some tiles type it requires an active server connection, so they are not available offline. You also have to require the work account for the mobile application. Thank you.